is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, it's hoodie weather again. I just had my driveway seal coated, so I'm kind of like stuck in the garage. It could be a good thing. But anyhow, I come out here today, messing around with the Fairmont, cleaning the underneath. I got some more of the undercoating off, the factory undercoating. So a little bit of work. I haven't worked on it much lately because I've been working a lot at work. So let me turn this on.
Then. So yeah, as you can see, all this right here, I cleaned all this out and got the rest of that undercoating off there. Started cleaning the frame rails. I still got to get up there and do that. So just a little at a time. So yeah, I've been real busy with my dad and some busy at work. So we're moving along today. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, I cleaned it up a little bit. Spare tire tub, I cleaned that up a little bit, and you know, totally awesome. Yeah, buddy. I use that stuff, man. I mean, it works good, you know. But once I get in here, once I get the car, you know, the bottom pretty much cleaned up and everything like that, I'll take it outside and I will steam clean the bottom of it, and then we'll get it ready for primer and go that route. But I still got to do the inner fender well up here and some, you know, other things that we'll get taken care of and we'll get her done. You know what I'm saying? So I figured I would just show you what I got going on because, you know, we've been busy. And yeah, look at this driveway, man. It was so dry. I mean, this stuff really, the seal coat driveway started sucking it up right away. But definitely looks a lot better, or make the house look better. And hopefully make the driveway last a little longer. And I had to pull the motorcycle off so I could go for a ride later, because he don't want us on this driveway for about 3 days. So Tuesday probably be the day we get to drive on it. So let me turn this around.
Alrighty then. So yeah, we're getting a little bit accomplished with the Fairmont. Got the driveway seal coated, so far today's a good day. The weather's not too bad. It is a little chilly, hoodie weather, you know, but I'm out in the garage with the garage door open and working on a Fairmont, listening to a little music and going on. Yeah, buddy. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate you watching my videos. I appreciate you watching my motorcycle videos. And the last video that I'm going to load up on the motorcycle ride is the full ride. The GoPro one, that was just, you know, I was trying to do something with GoPro. So, all right, guys, I'll talk with you later. Thanks for watching.